I'm Richard Anderson, CEO of Delta. I have the privilege of working alongside professional women and men in Delta guidance for honesty, integrity, respect, perseverance, and we strive to do what is right for ourselves. We call it Delta Difference. We are committed to your safety and comfort. So please pay close attention to the following safety presentation, and thanks so much for flying Delta.
Welcome aboard, and thanks for flying with Delta. Our first priority on every flight is safety. So before we depart, I'll be giving a brief safety presentation. Okay, be sure all carry-on items are securely stowed in an overhead bin, and place smaller items under the seat in front of you. Ensure all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas are clear. Delta now allows U.S. domestic passengers to use handheld devices like tablets and cell phones on board at any time, as long as all cellular functions are disabled. Larger electronic devices like laptops should be turned off and stowed until we're airborne.
And the Princess rode off into the sunset. The end.
Please note some electronic devices may not be used in flight at any time. You'll find additional information regarding electronic devices in the in-flight information section of Sky Magazine. This plane features Wi-Fi, and internet access will be available while we're above 10,000 feet. If you're seated at an emergency exit, please review the responsibilities for emergency exit seating on the back of the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
Are you willing and able to assist the operation if necessary?
No.
If you're unable to perform these functions, please just know and we'd be happy to find you another seat. As you leave the gate, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap both low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, just lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on. And even if the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience any unexpected rough air. For everyone's safety, federal regulations require all passengers to comply with the posted placards and lighted information signs located throughout the cabin, in addition to any crew member instructions. Smoking is not allowed on any Delta flight, as federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a Russian smoke detector. There are 8 exits on the plane. 4 doors, 2 on each side, and 4 window exits over the wing. The forward doors have detachable slides that can be used for flotation. Life rafts are located in ceiling compartments at the front and center of the plane. All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. However, if there's a loss of power and cabin visibility is reduced, lights will illuminate the aisles to guide you to an exit. Please take a moment to find the exits closest to you, and remember, they might be behind you. It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, the panels above your seat will open, revealing oxygen mask. If this happens, reach up to pull a mask towards you until the tube is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, twist the elastic strap over your head, and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe slowly and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others. A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, life vests are located under your seats in the economy cabin. If you're seated in the first class or business class cabin, life vests are either in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Put the vest over your head. If your vest has 1 strap, wrap it around your waist and attach it to the buckle in front. If your vest has 2 straps, fasten the straps to the front of the vest and then adjust them easily around the waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom of the vest. Or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. You can activate a light by pulling down on the tab in the front. But if your vest doesn't have a tab, the light will activate automatically in the water. If necessary, we'll distribute instant life vests or other flotation devices for children who weigh 35 pounds or less. Also, soft seat cushions can be used for flotation. Now, before we take off, make sure your seat is upright, your aisle armrests are lowered, your tray table is put away, and all carry-on items are properly stowed. As we come through the cabin for our final safety check, please let us know if you have any questions. And finally, now would be a good time for everyone to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
On behalf of everyone at Delta Airlines, we want to thank you for paying attention.
Please relax and enjoy your flight.
Delta Airlines Flight 1783. Service down to Las Vegas, Nevada. We're going to be number 1 for departure. Be airborne shortly. Flight time just under an hour. We anticipate an on-time arrival. I tell our flight attendants to expect your final mark.
captain still has the fasten seatbelt sign turned on and has requested that all passengers please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. Once the captain has reached his final cruising altitude, he will turn off the fasten seatbelt sign, and at that point it will be safe for you to move about the cabin. In just a few moments, your flight attendants will begin their beverage and snack service in both our first class cabin and also our coach cabin. We are pleased to offer in the coach cabin complimentary Coca-Cola products